a business and you want to get going on Twitter? Are you wondering all of the same things that everybody else is? How do I figure out what makes a good tweet? Where do I begin? How do I get 1 billion followers? Hi, I'm Jill Salzman, Why's Her expert, founder of the Founding Moms, host of the Why Are We Shouting podcast, and I'm also a Twitter geriatric who's been on the platform since 2009. Twitter is great for your small business. Unlike other platforms, it allows you to express your whole and true business self in just a few sentences. And it lets folks interact with you in a really conversational way, far superior to other platforms. To date, it remains my favorite of them all. So what are my tips for getting down to business in the Twitterverse? Tip number 1, stop overthinking it. I mean, that goes for everything in business that you ever have to think about, but particularly this one, now that that's out of the way. Tip number 2, comment first. Stop worrying about captions just yet. Search for hashtags or words that are popular in your industry, or look for folks with larger audiences than yours in your industry. Comment on their tweets, because you're going to be surprised how many of them get back to you right away. And each time they do, they open up your account to all of their followers. Get exponential, baby! Tip number 3, tweet in thirds. 1/3 of the time, you're going to want to write something interesting about your business, about your industry. Give us a reason to want to follow you. 1/3 of the time, you're also going to post a stat or an article that's related to your business, but don't forget to post why you're linking to an article or a statistic. Otherwise, we're never going to click through, okay? The last third of the time, you're going to want to write something unrelated to your business. Something that gives you a little personality, a little flair, just like mine. My last tip for you, don't tweet once a month. Twitter timelines go by way too fast. And like any other social media outlet, the more you give, the more you get. That doesn't mean you have to be on Twitter 45 times a day, but if you can stick to at least 3 times a week, you're going to build a following and you're going to make connections that are going to help you grow your business. That's it. Go ahead and find a few accounts of people who do it just right. Hint, hint, I'm at Founding Mom. And start playing around with tweets the way that they do it. Good luck, and I'll see you on Twitter.